Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. Australian shares are set to rise at open to close out the week of trading after Wall Street witnessed a broad rally in the overnight trading session. The domestic market is expected to be supported by the commodity sub-indices, while investors are set to welcome the likelihood of aggressive interest rate hikes to curb rising consumer prices. Meanwhile, oil prices surged on concerns related towards supply, and sterling silver rallied following the resignation of UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. As per the latest ASX futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open by 52 points higher, or 0.8% for today. On Thursday, the benchmark ASX 200 index surged by 0.8% to 6,648 points. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones advanced 1.1%, the S&P 500 surged by 1.5%, and the Nasdaq ended 2.3% higher. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose by 2%, London's FTSE advanced by 1.1%, the French CAC rose 1.6%, and the German DAX finished 2% higher. For Asian markets, it was a sea of green. Japan's Nikkei rose by 1.47%, China's Shanghai Composite saw a marginal gain of 0.27%, as did Hong Kong's Hang Seng, rising by 0.26%. While emerging market stocks advanced 1.43%, and MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe rose by 1.57%. Time now for a very short break here on the Morning Outlook before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto. Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
sectoral coverage or industry news,
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
with Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook here on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar is trading at 68.47 US cents at present, and has been largely stable over the past 5 days. US Treasury yields have risen with investors awaiting the release of jobs data, which is scheduled to drop today. The data is set to play a crucial role in the Federal Reserve's next policy determination. Benchmark 10-year notes last fell in price to yield 3.0075%, down from 2.911% late on Wednesday. The US dollar index rose 0.019%, while the euro fell by 0.23%. Moving on, and oil prices rebounded on Thursday from the sharp losses recorded in the last two sessions as supply concerns offset recession fears. WTI crude rose by 4.26% to trade at $102.73 a barrel, whilst Brent crude closed at $104.65 a barrel, up by 3.93%. Gold prices also saw an increase. The safe haven asset rose as a result of the softer US dollar. Spot gold advanced 0.1% to $1,740.19 an ounce, and US gold futures gained 0.16% to $1,737.60 an ounce. Meanwhile, Dalian iron ore rose 5% on Thursday amidst the softening of the US dollar. However, fears over a global recession and fresh coronavirus-induced restrictions persisted in China. On the other hand, the prices of copper rose on Thursday from the 20-month low hit on the last day on reports of a possible economic stimulus in China. And lastly, the crypto market has experienced a minor resurgence. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market capitalization has increased by 3.66% to be valued at approximately $959 billion US. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin has jumped by more than 5% to trade above the 21k mark and has increased by a whopping 13.7% over the past 7 days. Ethereum has also skyrocketed by more than 20% in the past week to trade at more than $1,200 per token. Alright, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, reporting for Kalkine.